This is another set of elevators at Wells Hall, sort of in the center part of the building. Go up to 4. Door hold that has a key. Those doors are 70s. Traction. Trying to get there it goes. Down to G. Door closed quick. No branding. It's nice that these are traction. Got the panel, the ADA panel. This looks like it was a full-on replacement at some point, but I'm not sure who did it. Oh, that's good though. Here, G. This is a nice atrium here. You'll see when the doors close. There goes the elevator. This is the part of the building we're in, and that is it.
Stadium.